This is probably the most powerful and fastest blockchain that is meant to scale in both social media, gaming, and all things Web3. So let's get into it. I'm very excited because they're giving away $10 million to a developer team who is looking to build. So let's get into the So this is Somnia, the dream computer. And as you can see, they are a massive company. I mean, they have some high performance, cost efficient layer one that can process over 400,000 transactions per second. I think the closest one to that is ICP, Internet Computer Protocol, which I think only does around 200,000 theoretically. But this company is insane. It's by Yuga Labs. They are building a Somnia blockchain DevNet with over 400,000 transactions. As you can see, just so many PR projects or articles about them. And they have an amazing white paper that says they are going to be accelerating mass adoption with their protocol because it is really meant for, like I said, social media, NFT collectors, really to onboard people to use their blockchain as easily as possible. And I love that they are really focused on mass consumer, like just a mass consumer adoption with applications. It's highly scalable, predictable, low fees. It's Ethereum virtual machine, essentially. Oh, that's what the M is, machine. Anyways, let's get into what the use cases are. They already have it down. Like I said, they have gaming, which is huge in the Web3. I'm looking forward to Ready Player One. Kind of like games because I already have a Quest 3. Pretty soon AR is going to be involved. If you can do 400,000 transactions in a second, then that's going to be great for the metaverse and really for DeFi in general because you can have split second actual transactions versus wishing and praying that your transaction goes before someone else's. So very important stuff. And then obviously real-time applications. I love that they actually haven't thought of the systems that are involved in this project. They've thought of the multi-stream consensus. They thought of how the state of the blockchain is. They thought of how the traffic is going to go with nodes. Everything is thought out meticulously, and I love it. That's why Somnia is just a powerhouse of a project. If we look at their mission, their key objective is to scale Web 2 to levels of Web 3 or reverse that. They want to take the Web 2 applications and be able to run them on Web 3. They have open consensus, no counterparties to take control essentially. Just so many key principles that they're really focused on. They really want to empower creators. They want to bring forth mass adoption. They really want to have social apps and gamified systems on their platform, which I'm a big fan of. So many things are going with Somnia, and the fact that they actually are built by a team in the NFT space that has done very well, Yuga Labs. So we've all heard of Yuga Labs, and having them come out with really helping with Somnia is just insane. We can scroll down here a little bit and see their major partners. Right here, Yuga Labs, Unstoppable Domains, just massive projects and partnerships. So as you can see, they are part of the dream computer, contributing to the standards of shaping the virtual society. They have some frequently asked questions, but what I'm very excited about is the developer fund because they have a $10 million developer fund going into the metaverse and game development, virtual 3D design, how to begin. You can learn and apply for help right here. This is where you would fill out your application to learn all about what is required. And then obviously their NFTs, where they will provide utility, brand awareness, community, just a way to showcase what is going on. And for those that don't know, Yuga Labs Club, CryptoPunks, and Other Side and Meebits. They did buy up the CryptoPunks a couple years ago, which is pretty exciting. Other Side was, I believe, a gaming. So they are like just massive builders in this. Want to join the beta net where you can learn more about the protocol, connect your universe to ours. They have their avatar, the testnet, and the mainnet going in beta. All exciting stuff, to say the least. And what you've been waiting for, the $10 million grant program, anticipation of the DevNet launch. And as you can see, they are looking for people that are going to build on their platform. They don't need to learn an extra language. They don't need to have all sorts of tools. They have everything that you need. It is a launching ecosystem grant project of $10 million that will help promise developers with leading Web3 investors, including Marana Ventures, Spartan Capital, and CMT Digital. Program is aimed to support building, creating large-scale and real-time applications across gaming, social platforms, metaverses, and more. That's a $10 million grant program to developers who really want to help grow and bring a amazing experience onto their platform. As you can see, it is full EVM. I just can't think today. And as you can see, it's just building by trusted developers and people that want to be in partners with people like Yuga Labs. So definitely check out their developer page if you want to really start building for mass consumer applications on the Somnia blockchain. So definitely apply now if that is you. And as you can see, they are just dominating the sphere in the space. So I'm very excited for this project. I can't wait to see what kind of social fi games come, what kind of Web3 games come, if they're going to be more NFT based or I don't know, like just digital assets that are tokenized. So I'm very excited. In summary, this game or this project looks very like they are set up for the future with amazing partnerships, amazing capital to help seed great developers that want to build on the platform. And it's just the fastest by far than any other blockchain that I've seen. And the closest to that is ICP at 200,000, and they just blow them out of the water. Ethereum's like 8, so very, very slow. But they are building the future. So jump on board, and I'll see you guys on the next one.